If your WhatsApp chat transfer isn't working, it can disrupt communication and cause data loss. In this video, we'll cover 13 quick methods and one ultimate solution to restore your chats and prevent interruptions. Part 1. Why doesn't WhatsApp chat transfer work? WhatsApp transfer issues, incompatible versions, unsupported devices, low storage, Wi-Fi issues, missing permissions, phone mismatch, wrong cloud account, interrupted backups, device lock, VPN or firewall blocking, logged out, large backup. Part 2. WhatsApp chat transfer not working. Try 13 quick fixes. Solution 1. Restart both devices. Restarting both phones can fix glitches, clearing memory, network caches, and processes that disrupt the WhatsApp transfer. Solution 2. Use the latest WhatsApp version, not WhatsApp Business. Solution 3. Grant WhatsApp necessary permissions for transfer. Solution 4. Restart the app and ensure the screen is awake for the QR code. Solution 5. Check iCloud iPhone or Google Drive Android for a complete backup. Solution 6. Set backup to daily or manually create a fresh backup. Solution 7. Clear WhatsApp cache on Android, restart the app, and try the transfer again. Solution 8. Clear WhatsApp's app storage and retry the restore. Solution 9. Keep devices awake and connected to strong Wi-Fi. Solution 10. Ensure enough storage on both devices for the transfer. Solution 11. Update WhatsApp on both devices to fix bugs and ensure compatibility. Solution 12. Disable VPNs or firewalls to allow WhatsApp migration. Solution 13. Factory reset the destination device for Android to iPhone migration if already set up. Part 3. Use professional transfer tool to copy WhatsApp smoothly. If WhatsApp transfer fails, Social App Transfer moves chats and media between Android and iPhone, supporting iOS 26 and Android 16. It offers selective restoration, Google Drive integration, and data encryption for a smooth transfer. Download and install Social App Transfer on your computer, then launch the app. Select WhatsApp in the left menu and connect both devices via USB. Follow the instructions to ensure proper device recognition. If needed, click Flip to swap devices. Finally, click Transfer to start.